How to connect custom domain to a blogspot site. Okay guys, today I'm going to walk you through on how to connect a custom domain to a blogspot site. So firstly, let's check out for the blogspot site. Okay guys, this is the blogspot site, and as you guys know, this is a free blog. As you can see the URL africoto.blogspot.com. So let's check out for the blogger accounts. So this is the blogger account, and so far I just posted 9 posts. So this is the blogger account, and so you can see the blog address. You can see the blog address there, africoto.blogspot.com, and I haven't linked any custom domain. So let's assume you have purchased a custom domain on a registrar. So assuming you have purchased a custom domain on a registrar, this is KSaver. A registrar is a web hosting that provides hosting and domain, just like Namecheap and Bluehost and the rest. So let's log in to proceed. So this is my dashboard, and I've purchased a domain. Just purchased one domain, so let's check it out. So this is the domain, and this is the domain I have purchased, africoto.com.ng. And let's assume you want to connect this custom domain to the free blogspot domain. So what you have to do now is to log into your blogger account and click on custom domain. And input the custom domain you bought. So after inputting the custom domain, just click on save. So they will give you 2 CNAMEs, and you have to upload this on your DNS server. So and these 2 CNAMEs are these. As you can see, they have labeled it here already. So you have to copy these 2 CNAMEs. First one is the name, which is www. So you have to copy that, and the destination is this, ghs.google.com. and the second CNAME, the name is this link, and this is also the destination. So after copying all these 2 CNAMEs, just go back to your registrar and go to Domain DNS Manager. So as you can see the notification, Moodle could not find any existing DNS zone for this domain name. Do you want to create an empty DNS zone now? So I have to click on yes. So I've just created a DNS zone, and these are the few DNS that can see, I already have these few DNS, so you have to also add those two CNAMEs. So let's proceed. So I've just added the first CNAME and remaining the other one. And you have to also choose the type, which is CNAME. I've added it. Okay guys, there's always one existing IP address that's normally on the DNS zone, and you have to edit it and direct it to Google hosting IP address. This is the IP address. So you have to edit it or remove it and add the Google hosting IP address, and this Google hosting IP address, I've dropped it on my description, so you can check on my description for the rest of the information. So let's add it one after the other. This Google hosting IP address are normally 4. So, and you have to select the type, which is A.
Okay guys, I've just added the 4 Google hosting IP address. As you can see, these are the 4 IP address, and the 2 CNAMEs, I've also added it. As you can see, the 2 CNAME. So all you have to do now is to go back to your Blogger account. So after setting up the DNS manager, just go back to your Blogger account and under custom domain, click on save. After inputting the custom domain you purchased, so as you can see, I've just connected the custom domain. As you can see, I've just connected this. You also have to enable this to redirect to www.africoto.com.ng. So another thing to enable is HTTPS. That's for SSL certificates. So normally this won't be available for now, but you have to wait for some hours for the DNS manager to propagate. So let's check out for the blogspot site. Just refresh. So guys, as you can see, okay guys, as you can see, I've just connected the custom domain, and as you can see, this is the current URL www.africoto.com.ng. So let's refresh it again. As you can see, I've just connected the custom domain. So this is how to connect custom domain to a blogspot blog.